What is going on, guys? I'm gonna show you how you can use the 3D scanner on your Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Let's go. Now, if you go to your camera and you go down to video, you're gonna notice that there's not gonna be an option for 3D scanner. So what you have to do here is you basically have to go to your Galaxy Store, open your Galaxy Store. Once you are in there, you're gonna just do a quick search, and from there do 3D scanner. So do a search for 3D scanner and you're gonna see it right there. So when this was launched, the app was not available. It's been a couple of days now, and now you can download it and install it. So let's go ahead and download it for now. 3D scanner, here it is. So you just click download. So let it go through the flow. It's gonna take a few minutes, actually a few seconds, and we'll come back. Okay, now that it finally has downloaded, we're just gonna do the play right hand side, give it all the permissions, and it's ready to go. There it is. Now, and if you want to use it in the future, all you have to do is just go to your app drawer and you're gonna be able to see the 3D scanner and just open it. Now, next I'm gonna show you, let's gonna do a quick test and I'm gonna show you how it works. All right, so open your 3D app, bottom right hand side, you click on the plus sign. You're gonna see the mark area. You wanna make sure that you are at least 20 centimeters away from the object. You start recording and you're gonna notice that it's gonna separate the object from everything else. You just kind of go around slowly, take your time, don't go too fast. You don't have to be perfect. You can just slowly go around it. One thing that they do mention is that you wanna use at least an object that is 20 centimeters in height to get the best experience. So once you go around it, just make sure you get it all correct. You can even go through the top, on the bottom so as you can. If you notice, I'm using a white table. I tried different things, different objects. I put it on top of a tripod. And the best results is if you have a white table, something that is solid on the bottom is what's gonna allow you to get the best results. So once you feel comfortable, you're just gonna stop the recording and then you're gonna see, as you can see, it's not perfect, but it's okay. I mean, I'm sure it can be better, but I gotta tell you, I've been playing with this for a while with different things, and this was the best I could do at the moment. If you do have better experience or you know how to do it better, make sure you let us know in the comment section below. Let's share that information with everyone else. Once you get your object, as you can see, you can move it around. It's not gonna be perfect. I did some research online and a lot of people are mentioning the same. It's not gonna be perfect right now. You gotta have the right perfect lighting, perfect item. It's not gonna work with everything else, but anyways, going back, once you get your object ready, the 3D scanning is complete and you can actually start recording either a video or a picture. So you just click on the camera icon, you select the video, get in front of the camera, and of course you just start moving around and it's gonna follow you. I mean, as you can see, it is gonna be distorted. It's just because the item that I have is not gonna be the best object to use. But I just wanted to give you an example. I really don't have something else to use. This was the best thing I could get to work for me. But I hope this helped you out. Again, you can just stop it and it's gonna save it on your media files. You can go down to your gallery and you're gonna see the GIF, or you're gonna see either the video that you're gonna be able to use later on. I know it was not perfect. Hopefully once I master this, I'm sure they're gonna have more updates. I'll make sure to keep you guys posted. I may do another video in the future. Hope this added some value. Consider subscribing. Remember, I'm gonna do a lot more videos on the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. If you have any suggestions or any questions, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.